Hello everybody, today we're in Apache Junction for a new build walkthrough. This community is built by D.R. Horton. It's known as Radiance at Superstition Vistas. So this is Far East Valley in Apache Junction again. This community has several different floor plans to pick from. I believe maybe like close to 10 different floor plans or more. This one is known as the Caroline. It does have 1,536 square feet of space, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, all on one floor. Has espresso cabinets, granite countertops, tile throughout the house except the bedrooms, stainless steel appliances, and blinds as well, a part of this home. This community does have different price ranges for their floor plans. From what I had a chance to take a look through, they have floor plans that range from low 400s, like 412,000, all the way to mid 500s, 550 area. This particular one, the Caroline, it's 429,995. This is February when I'm recording this, so the estimated completion for these plans in the community are going to be March and April. They do run promotions as well, so you may be able to have some sort of an incentive as far as interest rates go. If you would like to move into the Apache Junction area and you're interested in new builds, or even if you're not interested in new builds, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my page. If you have questions about the Apache Junction area, feel free to contact me with questions. Have a good one.